Hello, this is Card Reviews Kid 12 with not a card review but a cut tutorial. I don't know what this cut is called, so I will just call it the freeway. So I'll quickly show you it and then I'll teach you how to do it. So there we go, I'll show it one more time. Okay, right, so here is the tutorial. First of all, you hold it, the grip is, say I'd had the deck of cards in my hand, you had these three fingers on the top of the deck, like that, and then your little finger is no relevant. So then you have that like that, then you put your thumb at the bottom of the deck. So it would look like that from the front, and you can't really see anything from the back. So then what you do, you get your index finger, put it onto the very corner of the cards, and then what you do, you lift up your middle finger or your end finger, whatever one, no, not your end finger, well, whatever one you feel comfortable with. So then you lift up your middle finger and it should click, the other corner should click out from underneath this finger. So then you have it clicked out and then it won't go back in. So then you just put either your thumb or your other index finger, replacing the index finger, then you twizzle it round and you get it into the, I call it the bung hole. So like, it would look like that without the middle finger, but you need to have your middle finger there supporting the end of the card. So it looked like that from the top, and then like that from the back. There you go. So you'd have the cards like that, however much you cut off like that, and then you get your thumb, and if you can see that, where you have your middle finger, you would put your thumb in. So you lift up your middle finger, put your thumb there, and you just peel some off, twizzle it on your thumb. Look, if I drop this half, twizzle it on your thumb, like that, so it come out from like this, go, and you just twizzle it on your thumb knuckle. Sorry, I'm not very good at doing it slow. You twizzle it on your thumb knuckle, so they would go, so the cards would go round like this. So they just go flump, like that. So I'll quickly show you just a little, one more little recap. Pull out, thumb replacing the index, put it into that position, thumb replacing the middle finger, and you just peel it round. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Bye.